Shit, I don't even know where to start, but I already took apart the top, removed the heat shields and shit. So right now I'm gonna start taking out the downpipes, and the turbos, and I don't know, just going in blind, I guess. So I got this part of the mid pipe off, and I'm gonna take off the downpipe. And then start removing the turbos. Drop the oil on this thing, put some fresh new oil on here. Yeah, it's pretty black. Downpipes are off. Next thing will be removing the turbos. I've been fucking with this for like the past half hour trying to get this turbo out, right? I'm like, couldn't get this bolt that's in here. I couldn't. I got all the other ones. I couldn't get that one. I tried all kinds of 10s and swivels because they're all 10s, and ended up being that one's a fucking 11. I wasted so much time. This turbos could have been out already. All right, so I think I got one more bolt in the back, and then the back turbo should come out, and then the front one. Damn it, I was struggling. There was all these bolts are 10, and there was one that's hidden. It was a fucking 11. I was struggling for like 30 minutes, probably more, just trying to get it. And then I ended up figuring out it was a fucking 11, and I got it out. So yeah, once that one comes out, then this one will come out, and then I'll probably head out to my buddy so he can weld up the oil drain. So I marked these, so I'm gonna have him weld this to block that off, and then where else? I think he's gonna block this off right here, and block off the rear oil drain. And once I come back, I'll install the manifold, and put the turbo on, and then once that's on there, I'll probably wire up the boost controller. Turbos are out. It's my first problem, which is the oil block off or feed that I got for this. It's not the same as the N54. So I'll probably have to go get a 45 oil feed. So took a little break and went and got these fittings welded, the block off. This one's for the thermostat. This one's for the oil feed, and then this one's the rear oil drain. My girl got me some Jpworkz, aka Chiplote, aka Chipotle. So right now I'm gonna install the manifold. I'm gonna have to reuse my gaskets because the parts department didn't order me my parts on time. So the manifold to go on, then the wastegate, and then the turbo. And I'll do this, and then I'll install the boost controller, but then the intercooler, or mount the boost controller. I was thinking of doing it in the center vent, but I don't know. I'll probably just put it in this little compartment right here. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna mount that right here, get some holes right here in the back. I'm gonna run the line through a grommet somewhere in there, and then I'm gonna figure out, or now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna mount this. Yeah, I don't know. Last video or whatever, this thing you guys will see out of the car. It's going in right now. so fucking heavy. Oh. I fucking got metal shavings in my fucking mouth. Ah. Light. Oh, I forgot I'm recording. Shit. Woo! It fit. Like a motherfucking glove. Very large glove, though.
Do you have a long magnet?
Yeah, that one hanging right there in front of my Red Bull. Alright, so I don't know where the last update was or where I left off, but right now I am doing the lines for the wastegate and the port. So turbo manifold's on, turbo's on, wastegate's on, downpipe's on. So yeah. Alright, oil drain is done. Routing for the wastegate's done. Turbo's clogged. So I'm gonna take it right now. Well, hopefully if it doesn't leak, to get the rest of the downpipe fabricated onto the mid pipe. And I think that's it. I gotta button up shit from the top and then drive it out of here. Alright, so this is wired up, lines are routed. Alright, I'm not gonna have enough time to put the intercooler on, so I'll probably do that tomorrow or sometime this weekend. I don't know. Yeah, so I still need to finish routing the boost controller vacuum line. So that's gonna go on once I do the intercooler. But yeah, I fucked up. I forgot the MHD flasher, so I wouldn't even be able to load my base nut. So hopefully I'm able to turn it on. I don't know. We'll see. So I got like about an hour left. I said fuck it, I'm just gonna throw on the intercooler. But I don't think they gave me enough screws for this shit, cause this doesn't look like focus. I don't think I can reuse these fucking screws. And it only came with 2, which are these. I'm pretty sure these are for the center. So I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. Alright, so ended up being that these here for the oil drain and oil feed and coolant, all that is the same thread pitch. So if I can get it on here. That was a little crooked, but it works. They fit. God damn it. Well, they fit. I tried it earlier and they fit. So I'm gonna reuse these. Oh man. Alright. Intercooler is on. Don't mind that. That's gonna be rerouted once I get the flange for the blow-off valve welded to the J pipe. Yeah, this is gonna be all cleaned up. That's all gonna be cleaned up. This, I'm probably gonna vent this to atmosphere. Oops. Oh shit, it broke. Well, I don't need this. Yeah, fuck. This is different, man. A lot easier than M54 for sure. See, I had to clock the turbo like twice just because I couldn't find a way to route this. Because if it was at an angle, it hit the frame right here. If it was up, it was gonna be really close to this, and it wasn't gonna be able to like get an angle. So I decided to put it like that, and then we're probably gonna weld a 90 like this. Come this way, I'll come up this way. I'm gonna hear Wyatt to that. still don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but whatever.